welcome to Garden Guitar. Tate McRae with Uh-Oh, that's a song. And we have this 4-chord song, very easy to play. Let's start with this one on the capo here, 6th fret, and we will look at the following chords: E minor, D, C, and G. So let's start with the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. D next. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. C, that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord will be G. So third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so we will start with the strumming pattern. C will be the first chord, so let's look at one round of the strumming and we will then divide it into 2 parts. But as a whole it sounds like this. Okay, so that's the full pattern. And part 1 will be down, down, up, clap, down. And then part 2 will be down, up, clap, down, up. So down, up, clap, down, up. Alright, so if we connect these 2 parts, down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, up. A couple of rounds of that will sound like this. And so on. So now we're ready for the song. And yeah, we have this chord progression here in the first verse. We'll play C, 1 full strumming round. Then you change to E minor and play the part 1, down, down, up, clap, down, and then you change to D and play part 1 there as well. So this chord progression, C, 1 full round, E minor part 1, D part 1, you will play that for 4 rounds. So 1 round will sound like this. Play that times 4 and that will be the first verse. That takes us to the pre-chorus. In the lyrics, you'll make me really good at making bad decisions. Okay, so we will have the chord progression here with C, E minor, and D played in the same way as you play the verse. And then on the second half of this chord progression, you play C, E minor, and G. So G instead of D. So all that will be 1 round. So C, 1 full round, E minor part 1, D part 1. Then C, 1 full round, E minor part 1, and G part 1. All that is 1 chord progression, and you will play that for 2 rounds, almost. On the second round, in the end, you just skip the last G. That is just the vocal part, so almost 2 full rounds. Just skip the last G, and that is the pre-chorus. So 1 round of it will sound like this. That is the pre-chorus, and that takes us to the chorus. And guess what? The chorus will be played in the same way as the pre-chorus, so nothing changes there. And from now on, it's pretty much repetition, everything. The second verse played in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus, and second chorus played in the same way as we just learned. And then we'll have just an outro part. It will be played like a verse. So it's the E minor, D, and C, okay? So that for 4 rounds, and that, my friends, will cover McRae's Oh. So, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, guys. Play tuned.